Well, it is June 21st, the International Yoga Day, and the celebrations have already begun. Every year, the International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st of June. The day is dedicated to promoting the health and well-being of people through yoga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading the 10th International Yoga Day celebrations today in Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. The visit marks his first since starting his third consecutive term in office. The event's theme is Yoga for Self and Society, and it highlights yoga's impact on the personal well-being and the community's health. In fact, the Prime Minister delivered his Yoga Day address at Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre on the banks of the Dal Lake in Srinagar. Let's listen in to what was said by the Prime Minister.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पर मुझे योग और साधना की भूमि कश्मीर में आने का सौभाग्य मिला है। कश्मीर और श्रीनगर का ये वातावरण, ये ऊर्जा और अनुभूति, योग से हमें जो शक्ति मिलती है, श्रीनगर में हम उसे महसूस कर रहे हैं। मैं देश के सभी लोगों को, दुनिया के कोने-कोने में योग कर रहे लोगों को कश्मीर की धरती से योग दिवस की बधाई देता हूं। साथियों, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे 10 वर्ष की ऐतिहासिक यात्रा पूरी कर चुका है।
The United Nations recognized yoga's universal appeal on December 11th of 2014, proclaiming June 21st as the International Day of Yoga. The resolution proposed by India was endorsed by a record 175 member states. The festivities extend far beyond Kashmir. Cities across India will host yoga sessions in public parks, community centers, and iconic landmarks. There will be free yoga classes for beginners, workshops on practices like meditation and pranayam, and cultural performances. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is participating in a yoga session in Delhi. In Jaipur, Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma, Deputy Chief Minister Prem Chand Bairwa, and other state ministers are performing yoga at the Sawai Man Singh Stadium. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Governor Anandiben Patel are also participating in the celebrations. International Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and other diplomats perform yoga in Delhi on the International Day of Yoga. Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda is attending a yoga session in Delhi, while Union Minister Kiran Rijiju is performing yoga as well. Yoga sessions are happening on board the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. BSF officers and Jawans are performing yoga at the last post of the international border in Arispura sector in Jammu. Indian Army Jawans are set to perform yoga at the Colonel Son Wangchuk Stadium in Leh, Ladakh. ITBP personnel are practicing yoga at Muguthang sub-sector in North Sikkim at an altitude of over 15,000 feet. CRPF soldiers in Jammu performed yoga on this special occasion as well. In fact, these are all the celebrations that we are bringing to you from across the nation on International Yoga Day. It is for the well-being, physical and mental both, for the society.